Hello everyone, is your car having trouble with its brake lights staying on, transmission shifting oddly, or even going into limp mode? If your OBD-II scanner shows P0724, brake switch B circuit high, this means your car's brake switch circuit is sending a continuous high signal, confusing the transmission and braking systems. In this video, I'll explain what P0724 means, the symptoms and, most importantly, where to find the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. The P0724 trouble code is triggered when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects an abnormally high voltage from the brake switch, B circuit. This sensor is crucial because it tells the PCM and Transmission Control Module, TCM, when you press or release the brake pedal. If this circuit stays high, it can cause shifting issues, brake light malfunctions, and even impact cruise control. Brake lights staying on constantly. Transmission stuck in limp mode, hard or delayed shifting. Cruise control not working. Check engine light on. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the affected components. To diagnose P0724, check these key components. Brake light switch, brake pedal position sensor, BPP. Location, mounted on or near the brake pedal under the dashboard. Function, detects brake pedal movement and sends signals to the PCM and TCM. Transmission Control Module, TCM location, near the transmission, sometimes integrated with the PCM. Function, control shifting based on brake switch input. Powertrain Control Module, PCM location under the hood, usually near the firewall or battery. Function, processes brake switch signals and affects transmission shifting. Wiring and connectors location, between the brake switch and PCM, TCM. Function, transmits brake pedal signals. Any short circuit can trigger P0724. Common causes of P0724. Faulty brake light switch, BPP sensor. A stuck or defective switch can send a constant high signal. Short circuit in wiring. Frayed, corroded, or disconnected wires can cause high voltage readings. Brake light relay, stuck on. If the relay gets stuck in the on position, the brake lights and circuit stay active. Failed TCM or PCM. A malfunction in these control modules can misinterpret brake switch signals. How to fix P0724. Step 1. Inspect the brake light switch. Look for stuck, damaged, or misaligned sensors under the dash. Step 2. Test the switch with a multimeter. If the circuit is constantly high, replace the switch. Step 3. Check the brake light relay. If stuck on, replace it. Step 4. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for damaged or corroded wires and repair them. Step 5. Check transmission shifting. If the issue persists, inspect the TCM and PCM. Step 6. Reset the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to clear the code and check for improvements. Ignoring P0724 can cause serious transmission and braking issues. Fix it early to avoid costly repairs and unsafe driving conditions. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0704. Clutch switch input circuit malfunction. P0705. Transmission range sensor circuit malfunction. Like, share and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.